Yeah, confirm or to Atel Bije. Atel Malcaro. Atu Atel Bula, I testify before the court. Mune Stampoga. Ni Kaito Nata can make Kaito Stample, more constitutional right. I Kaito Bejo. Ponte Ata Uloko. My Kaito Leje is correct. So that's why I stamp it. I sign it. Whatever was stampo namna Kaleje, Mukatele Clara, Atele local transfer. If they file the matter before me, I will call ADR to involve to find out. What matter is not filed to me, how can I go on that? Well, Mbaka more force, Nanma force, Alokumo Banka Toynat. Not a woman Jaco the tab. Well, I don't know. But Yalon, Fueta Kitio, Kitio Leba Prufla. Atela sate loto nyame akokwela osiloto ama naja kaponya manjako ni jamburu nkolbe nyola nyonkuola folonka be nyola kenokuola alkalo manna wala mama ngami alka never come before me to tell me that folonka na manjako has a problem of a land
sepo na la dokolo ndefo na dokolo ndata ko karle preso la kan ni na dokolo ni nga kayto je min stampa ba stampa o na ke ballo
Mune Stampoga. Ni Kaito Nata can make Kaito Stample, more constitutional right. I Kaito Bejo. Ponte Ata Uloko. My Kaito Leje is correct. So that's why I stamp it. I sign it. La yen Kaito me anata fe asambana. Ite be claim kanko, ite talon banko. Iba asambala kiti olt. That will prove Jamal Tab. But I claim kele unbeknown to you. I claim na fe na I akwa talon banko. I Kaito process from Alkaloya local transfer atata to physical plan. Escape plan or the clearance, border clearance, atata to area council official transfer findit. Official transfer bila nata, nita stop plan. Atata passed to GRA, ale GRA Kaitojo. So it's approval, I approve, I nana. Kayako go and file your case, and then they will answer any court, high court or any tribunal. All of Pastor is young, just 2-3 days back. Nkayako ownership, still you can fight for it. Atia Afole, I have. Nya attention. So, if it adilala, nitel tam, ebadilela, but land yasto nyadila calling in a gaulon title. Jamala adila. Because banko wobe fenere na bikata wala na bika sunyano in law they become more charge banko sunyal they can follow obtaining money by false pretense I will have what all the common district emo money kan nelman preso la moka non safe nelman preso la moka because safe over Siran also, it tell me Alcalo, it tell me be in charge in jail. It tell alone members. I tell you, Kaito sign, Kaito Natan, and be preso la Canadi. I'm more monketonati. We're more money in Alcalo, bay in Calvers, combo not bay, wo a baffle car pick up, make an interfere, Jeff. Because never got our local, it tell area. It's a lalo. I mean for Mancatonia, ma for Manjaco, Tam, Mafetant, mean not a jump so mollified. But Cavoco rightful owner now after all are back lemla, despite the fact, well, you find on me baby in that hollow. In Talon, con Talon. So attack it to Kitio at him in all the time. Nimuk Tata Alcalo, a car qua Talon Bankot. Abe claim ka be claim kan katalo alkalo ka local transfer di o local transfer ko leta ya sama fiscal plan alkalo le confirmation odi wo confirmation wala kata local wala kata fiscal plan ke clearance dada wala wo clearance na dada you have to take it to area council yeta 7,000 joje ne 7,000 o jo yeta boje yeta jare jo yena sefo ba problem wa neta problem ni modo nata katalo mudla nata ko manja ko letam manja ko le samon roke to court either tribunal the same tribunal or you go to high court any high court will decide who owns the land. You go more for like claim ka. You don't katalo, you don't katalo. So that's the law. More become more for sake of a stamp by sign. Did it? I'll call all visit. I mean for to Toyati. Nga for go I mean for Toyati. More test I'll call the component from the economy nte personally konge force la police stampok and nous safe fana manso to West Coast be kabo kala fa fotal men sa foko and alkal sa foko ni safe ka di force le ko ngakai to sign. Why should you force somebody to sign paper document and la so ni manja ko lata ko italo mi pastor mi nata janga or fire and I go to before the court to justify your position. Yeah, confirm or to Tatelbula. I tell BJ. I tell Malcalo. I to Tatelbula, I testify before the court.
So, when the chief stamp on the stamp on Passa.
Mune stampoga. Ni kaito nata kambe kaito stamp le. Mola constitutional right. I kaito bejo. Ponte tata uloko. Nga kaito leje is correct. So that's why I stamp it. I sign it. Ni la tela banko bole kata alkalo la etaje aja local transfer deal. Na local transfer deal. Iko local transfer kaito le samba yeta fiscal plan. Fiscal plan ye la doko ke ya jibe ibe kaito min dile ka fa clearance al below min bije wolo mnyenti ko ama di mola amount ownership di mola. So you will continue to go to area council and pay $7,000 Eco Bank. Then you take that receipt to area council. Area council will give you official transfer. Official transfer now finished. Then you have to take it to GRA. GRA, you pay GRA. When you pay GRA, then you come to the chief. Why should I refuse? What is my power to refuse it? There is nobody before me saying that. Mama sotonte nyato kafonyo ko nyinkeno mimfelete iba kaito tadaka ntoleta. Ibo folanya dolon mbe keno stop forthwith. Mbe kaito stop lako amanya na process la yata alta court. Any one of them should file a summons. Because I claim local talent, itoko talent. So nobody owns it now. So kiti ole ba talala ayatandi alako a letter or b letter. But not fiscal plan ole dada wala mo clearance o kaito mi ya written wala clearance o but a fiscal plan. Mola constitutional law ni manja ko lafta ka confirm ko talent bankote yeta before the court. You are challenged. Your ownership claim. That's simple. It's a law.
Okay.
Fiscal plans document cannot be fiscal plan can. Fiscal plan bala doko la ala doko leke. So ni claim da ko to le tam ni iteke mi fo ni alkalo wolo foye because ama fonte na. Ite omusia says evidence to me. Ne alkalo all of alkalo is wrong because I nyanta for attack before the court. And alkalo to stop la no. Because more la fion akatalo nyindo katalo. Yeta kitio to. Kitio yete nela ibe atandi ya sunya. How did they come to the possession of that land? Nga tandi la ko banko bika sunya. Anything ke banko is obtaining money by false pretense. Former Nakumama, Uncle Pastor Natijang, and Nata New complaint or Sambanya Jang, 2-3 days back. Suit all of our footage. I attended, I allocated Taninanka, you go to court and file a case. To challenge that, Folonga doesn't own that. Or Folonga and his family doesn't own that place. You people own it. How did you own it? Then you prove it before the court. Folonga can defend himself the best of his ability.
So what I'm asking,
If they file the matter before me, I will call ADR to involve to find out. What matter is not filed to me, how can I go on that? I'm telling you, Nkemi for become Nko, Pastor another 3 days back. Today can be 4 days or 5 days. Another Jansuto, because he konyo pastor. Another name you come on, I have to attend it. That time is not time for the job, but because of nature of the job, another mean malo. Then I matter explaining nga tell la citizen and citizen. I have phone. Ngamoy. Nkako. What you do, you file your case to court. Court will put an injunction there, everybody to restrain out of that land. Nobody should do any development there until outcome of the case will come. Period. Don't qualify. Ko ni moya la kaito process far bang. Now that I have no power not to say that I'm not going to. Ni mo I kaito I banko claim ka talon. Do fanan ka talon. Min follow ni ala findings ke la ala kulik. Ni nyimbe min ke no la wolo mo aba sambala to court. I claim ala banko la katalo. Ke banko lombang, individual lombang, pastors molo bulbang. It's left to him or her. Okay, man na janka fonya manjako ni jamburun kolbe nyola nyunkuola folonka be nyola kenokuol alkalo man na wala mama mo ngami alka never come before me to tell me that folonka and manjako has a problem of a land ni manke problem to me ngami mo nko 2 3 to 4 days back pasol natan kanjang anin kaito nata suto mbota safo salo ambesire ikonya pasolo la fejel isa na imam is a community leader. I don't know what problem he is having, but at that time I don't attend people, but I have to. I have to go and file a case before the court to claim your ownership, and you have to prove how do you purchase that land. Therefore, I will urge them to go before the court of law. Court of law. Let them go to court and prove their ownership beyond the shadow of the doubt. That's all. Because I cannot say Folonga is the owner. I cannot say Manjako are not the owner. I cannot give to Manjako, I cannot give to Folonga. It's only the laws of the Gambia would give right to the right person. Said the matter. If the matter comes before me, I will put it in ADR. And that means that there must be someone who filed a summons against order. There's no summons filed. It's just me outside grumbling or murmuring or something.
I understand now.
There's no file summon before me.
So even
My
at the
plan.
alcalo, Yanon Atabo Putin and Water, then
Ndaga me for Nalcalo since I came. All of them. Since I came, I told them, as a chief, from judiciary, I came, I told them. Nimmo Natalia complain ola, Naka Nata Samonora, is Cindy Ebe Lamoy. Yellow executive for command, each and every council form is executive. Ndelanga forum yele, all alcalos West Coast. So, puro more law and Hadmadiya man killing. Don't accept. In law, they don't accept it. Adam, when he comes on this side, there was no necessity of law. He came on this side with his wife only. Is there a necessity of law? No. But when he born grandsons and he survived so many thousands of years, and they form group and society, they start to challenge each other. Thereby, they put head together. To minimize, to stop on that. That's the law comes. When you come to Islam, that's why Allah, Almighty God, send messengers to us to clear the route. Sharia law comes from tradition, and English law comes. And English law is defined by a great lawyer Blackstone as rule of action prescribed or dictated by some superior which an inferior is bound to obey. That's the first definition of the law. So you can call them and talk to them, I advise them, and see, because law is written document which is to enforce control human being. Human being, not an easy something creature to control. Very hard. If you say A, you say B, or you say C, or you say E. It's like that. So you can talk to them as a head of the village with your executive. Nobody should sit alone. You don't sit with your executive and decide matters. If you cannot compromise them, take them to court. Court will compromise them. Court is there to control every individual human being. Bao, journalism, nimi yajibi, itaka miracle, it's a bad thing. No, it's a communicational samba to each and everybody's door. Isakalam tamina bekere and min joy at the journalism, min man soto yewof. Oh, it's very bad. But journalism is a very good job. Everybody will be very pleased because I tell about it now, min bekeka yamo, min teke kamfana, min mutonyato. Yeah, confirm what to tell you. I tell BJ. I tell Malcalo. I tell Bula, I testify before the court. Mune sampoga. Ni kaito nataka mbe kaito stample. Mola constitutional right. I kaito bejo. Ponte tata uloloko. Nga kaito leje is correct. So that's why I stamp it. I sign it. Whatever wo stampo namna keleje unkatele clear atele local transfer. If they file the matter before me, I will call ADR to involve to find out. What matter is not filed to me, how can I go on that? Well, Mbaka more force, Nanma force, Alokumo Banka Toyat. Not a woman jackal the time. Well, I don't know. But Yalo Fueta Kitio, Kitio Leba Prufla. I tell her Sate Lotanyami Aboquella or Siloto. A man Najan California Manjaco ni Jamburun Colbenyola Nyunkuola, Folonka Benyola, Kenokuol. alkalo man na wala ja Mama mo ngami Alka never come before me to tell me that Folonga and Banjakus has a problem of a land.
Sefo na la dokolo. Defo na dokolo. Ndeta ko karle preso la kan ni na dokolo. Ni nga kayto je min stampa. Ba stample. O na ke ballo.
Mun stampoga. Ni kayto nata kambe kayto stample. Wala constitutional right. I kayto bejo. Ponte tata ulo ko. Nga kayto leje is correct. So that's why I stamp it. I sign it.